Yeah. Now this is a WM roll-off side loader. Roll-off one. You can follow. I think I'm definitely gonna work for Waste Management when I grow up. This is Waste Management right there. www.wm.com. It's a roll-off garbage truck. Has the dumpster for the construction dumpsters. You can roll it off right there. Now this is what it looks like. This is the dumpster, as you can see. The way to put the dumpster back on. That you do that. And this can even move. Like that can move. Now this right here is a light that turns light. And this is just whatever holds the thing up. This is what's in the truck. And it has construction dumpster. These lights might work. They don't work for me. And it's a place that I have for storage, as you can store the bins in. But I think that could do just what I do. So that's the Casella videos that I've been uploading lately. I have a couple of WM, and I have the Republic Service, which I have in my contacts area. Okay, this location might not be able to tell you in the actual video, but I'll say it.